Guys, I'm back again with another awesome recipe, and today I'm showing you how to make easy protein bars. Now, easy, I mean 4 ingredients: oats, whey, nut butter and almond milk. Let's get going. So, first of all, we need a bowl, scales, dish, and obviously ingredients. Let's go with the oats first. So, we need 160 grams of oats. So this is going to give you 8 servings in total, and each serving is going to be 200 calories. So that is 160 grams of oats. Next ingredient, we need 120 grams of whey. Now, I'm using white chocolate. You can use any flavour you like. 120 grams of whey. And next we need almond butter. You can use peanut butter, cashew butter, but not normal butter. 80 grams, so let's get that in. 50, 70, 80 grams. 80 grams of nut butter, and then we need half a cup of almond milk, but you want to make sure you're careful, because if you put too much in, the mixture might get too liquidy. So it needs to be a good consistency for you to be able to shape them into the protein bars. So I'm just going to pour out half a cup, whack that in. Give that a mix. My hands are clean. You can use your hands, or you can use a spatula. I'm going to use my hands to get this mix in. So, after this is all mixed, we need to spray the baking tray with some spray so it doesn't stick. Left hand. There you go. 1 cal spray. This is all mixed up good. That's the consistency. Nice and sticky. Perfect. Whack that in there. Make sure you get every single bit. Oh, I must have dropped a bit. Now, push this all down into the tray so it's nice and flat. But as long as everything's in there, as much as you can, that's fine. So what we're going to do now, you can either place this in the fridge for 2 hours, or you can place it in the freezer for half an hour. I'm going to place these in the freezer for half an hour, and I'll be back soon. So guys, I've just got the protein bars out of the freezer. Baking tray, just cut them into 8 pieces, and here they are. Look at those, lovely. They're a little bit sticky, so maybe add a little bit less almond milk in if the consistency is sticky when you're mixing it up. So let's give these a taste. Very, very nice. You want some? Check them out, guys.